Hi, my name is Ashley Sidaro, and I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat. And today we're going to cover how to excuse students in the gradebook. To excuse an individual student from a question in the gradebook, navigate to the student's grade for the question and double-click the cell, or click the pencil icon that appears. You will see a modal that extends from the cell where you can select Excuse Student. To excuse all students from a question in the gradebook, hover to the column header and look for the settings icon. Select All Students from the menu that appears. When you excuse students, the applicable cells will be grayed out to indicate that the student or students are excused. This is helpful if a student has an excused absence and will ultimately not affect their grade. Excused questions will not be reflected in the denominator of the overall class average. Only the numerator of the class average will change, based on whether or not the excused question had a total score higher or lower than the class average before it was excused. For more information regarding the Top Hat Gradebook, including its various functionalities and how to leverage gradebook data, visit our knowledge base.